While conventional allergy treatments like antihistamines and decongestants can provide relief, many individuals seek natural alternatives to manage their symptoms. Here's our countdown of the top 8 natural remedies for allergies. 8. Local honey. Raw, unfiltered honey sourced from local beekeepers contains trace amounts of pollen from local plants. Consuming small amounts of local honey regularly may help desensitize the immune system to pollen allergens, reducing the severity of allergy symptoms over time. Add a spoonful of local honey to your tea, yogurt, or oatmeal for a sweet and natural approach to allergy relief. 7. Quercetin-rich foods. Quercetin is a flavonoid with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that may help stabilize mast cells and reduce the release of histamine, the compound responsible for allergy symptoms. Incorporate quercetin-rich foods like onions, apples, berries, citrus fruits, and leafy greens into your diet to support your body's natural defenses against allergies. 6. Neti Pot. Nasal irrigation with a saline solution using a neti pot can help flush out allergens, mucus, and irritants from the nasal passages, providing relief from congestion and sinus pressure. Use distilled or sterilized water to prepare the saline solution and follow proper instructions for safe and effective nasal irrigation. 5. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, such as lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree oil, possess natural antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, and decongestant properties that can provide relief from allergy symptoms. Diffuse these oils in your home using an aromatherapy diffuser, or dilute them with a carrier oil and apply topically to the chest, temples, or sinus areas for soothing relief. 4. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese healing modality that involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to promote balance and alleviate various health conditions, including allergies. Research suggests that acupuncture may help modulate the immune response, reduce inflammation, and improve allergy symptoms like nasal congestion, sneezing, and itching. 3. Probiotics. Maintaining a healthy balance of gut bacteria is essential for supporting immune function and reducing allergic reactions. Probiotic supplements containing beneficial strains of bacteria like lactobacillus can help modulate the immune response and reduce inflammation, potentially alleviating allergy symptoms. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi into your diet for additional support. 2. Stinging nettle. Stinging nettle is a perennial plant that has been used for centuries in herbal medicine to treat allergies and other inflammatory conditions. Nettle contains bioactive compounds like histamine, quercetin, and carotenoids that possess antihistamine and anti-inflammatory properties. Consuming nettle tea or supplements may help reduce allergy symptoms, particularly hay fever. 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that supports immune function and reduces inflammation, making it a valuable ally in the fight against allergies. Consuming foods rich in vitamin C, such as citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli, or taking vitamin C supplements may help alleviate allergy symptoms and boost overall immune health. To summarize, natural remedies for allergies offer a holistic approach to managing symptoms and promoting overall well-being. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. With the right combination of natural remedies and preventive measures, you can find relief from allergies and enjoy a healthier, happier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.